All the tools needed to perform the repair are included in our repair kit. In this repair, you'll need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, pentalobe screwdriver, a plastic separation tool, or as others will say, pry tool. Safety precaution: before anything else, always turn off your smartphone and remove SIM card when performing glass replacement. Using the pentalobe or Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws under the phone. Push the back cover upward to remove the back cover. Remove the 1 screw securing the battery. Always be careful when prying up the connector. Don't forget the antenna protection. And use the blue pry tool to remove the battery. Observe that the battery has sticker under. Remove the marked screws. Metal plate is hooked into place. Push metal cover downwards to loosen. Remove screws securing the connector cable. Remove the dock connector. Remove the screws. Carefully pop off the antenna connector. Remove the screws for the vibrator. Always be careful when prying up the connectors. Remove the camera. Remove the following screws. Remove the speaker housing. You can now lift up the logic board carefully. Remove the 4 screws in every corner. Lighten up 3 screws on each side to loosen the clip. Using the opening tool, pry open the screw. Be careful when mounting the new screw so that the digitizer cable doesn't get squeezed when remounting. Remove leftover glass if any. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.